Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am in love with this skirt. I dare to say that this skirt is going to become a staple skirt in my wardrobe. It has a beautiful feel to the fabric, a really nice swing and length, and I'm in love with the color. So this adorable skirt is a Belle piqué. It has a tie that you can tie into a bow or any way you want on the front. It does have pockets on either side, which is so fun, and a little tiny bit of elastic on the back, which I appreciate because it gives you just a little bit of tension back there, which makes the fit even more flattering. I really love the fabric. It has a beautiful weight to it and drape. And I find that the full skirt, it hangs well for me, but also moves. It has a beautiful flow. The length is below my knee, so I'm happy with the length as well. Not too long, not too short. And I'm just really enjoying this skirt. I just think it's so nice to find a skirt that's really flattering and that you can have as a staple in your closet. So if you're looking for a staple skirt to add to your wardrobe this season, that's easy to wear, that dresses up or down, and that's just got a beautiful flattering swing to the fabric, then I recommend this skirt. I think that you'll be really happy to have it. I know I am. It goes with so many things in my wardrobe, and that is my point of view.